Hi everyone, my name is Ikra and welcome to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, I dug up some old photos from my gallery where I was trying to make a no-bake cheesecake recipe for the first time because my oven wasn't working. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. For ingredients, I used 250 grams McVitie's digestive biscuit, 100 grams butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 600 grams soft cheese, whatever that is, 100 grams icing sugar. I couldn't find any, so I just bought caster sugar and googled how to turn caster into icing sugar. They told me to just powder it. 284 ml double cream and some fresh fruits of your choice. I went with strawberries. That's all the ingredients you need. Coming to the process. First, take the biscuits and crush it using whatever method you'd like. I personally smashed it using this thing that I made at a pottery lesson. Put the smashed biscuits in a bowl, melt your butter and mix it with the biscuit crumbles until it turns out to be a thick, gooey paste kind of substance. Now I wanted a circular cheesecake, but I didn't really have a circular baking tray. But this was a no-bake recipe, so I took advantage of that and created a DIY cardboard circular frame for my cake. Butter the tray and dump in your gooey mixture until it flattens out to make the base of the cake and keep it to refrigerate. Next, you take soft cheese, mix in icing sugar, vanilla extract and double cream and mix like your life depends on it, unless you have an automatic mixer. I didn't have a mixer, so I got a great arm workout that day. Time to assemble the top. Just gently dump your cheese onto the cake and smoothen it out. Then refrigerate for anywhere between 8 to 24 hours depending on how much self-control you have. Time to take out my DIY contraption and hope that the cake stays in place. It did. Quite proud of it actually. Time for my favorite part, decorating. I went with a pretty minimalistic approach. Sprinkled in the remainder of my biscuit crumbs in a spiral pattern and placed some fresh sliced strawberries to add color and a tangy taste to my cheesecake. Ta-da! It's ready! Time to cut a piece, taste it and take some aesthetically pleasing pictures. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, share, follow me on Twitter, Instagram and join my Discord if you'd like. And if you do decide to make this, please share your experience and pictures with me. That's all. Okay, bye!